Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to delete your Google business profile permanently. So this is pretty simple. If you guys don't want to have this business visible or have it at all existing and you want to delete it, you can just do this by pressing on these three dots right over here. You go to business profile settings, then you go, as you can see, remove business profile. As you can see, you will close it, or you can transfer ownership or permanently remove. Press on this. And after that, you have the two functions. As you can see, you can transfer the ownership or you can just remove it. So you're looking for the second tab, press on it. And you can read here what's going to happen. As you can see, all posts, photos, managers, associated Google ads, and websites will be removed. You can also download the content if you wish before deleting. And after that, press on continue and press on remove. So this is how it's done, guys. If you enjoyed, if this was helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.